Hi, good morning to you. Avinash here from Sai Forex Education. We are coming with the concept called trading for living. Okay, in the next presentation, I will show you how to earn from the forex trading. This will be about 10-minute presentation. So I will request you to please switch off your mobile phones or TVs and please listen to me for next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, this is an humble request because we have invested so much time and put some efforts, to give the exact knowledge. So the next presentation won't have any marketing stuff. This is just for sharing the knowledge with you, like how you can be successful in forex trading. Okay, thanks for giving me your time. Let's start. The first slide shows that you have greatness within you, Les Brown. So all that you are doing, all that you expect is that you are trying to take out your greatness out of you. So every day we are looking for something better than what is yesterday. So every day we are looking for a bigger achievement than we have yesterday. So here we are helping you to take that greatness out of you. So we can be, as a mentor, we help you to achieve success in currency trading. Yeah, this is the slide. Yeah, dreams don't work unless you do. I hope you all are agree. What is mean by forex trading? Forex stands for foreign exchange. Okay, just like any other trading, here trading happens between two currencies. For an example, in case of Euro USD, while trading the Euro USD pair, you will either buy or sell that pair. Okay, while buying, you will buy the Euro USD, at the same time you have sold dollar. While selling, you will buy the USD and selling the Euro. Okay, this is the simple concept. Okay, so in currency trading, you are actually trading with the currencies, and it always comes with the pairs. One pair is called as a base pair and other one is called a reference pair. Okay, then there are actually three ways that institution, corporation, individual can trade: spot market, forward market, and future markets. Now there are also binary options available. Okay, just a quick about the spot market gives you opportunity where you can directly trade into the current situation of the market. Forward and future markets are similar, but in case of future market, it is very well regulated with the standardization regulatory authority, whereas forward market is not that kind of. It is generally agreement between the two parties. Continuing with that, forex market is considered to be over the counter, and it is 24 hours market. It is available for 5 days a week, 24 hours every year. The popular currencies that are getting traded are listed as here: USD, Euro, JPY, GBP, CHF, CAD, or NZT. So these are the main currencies which are getting traded on daily basis. Okay, while reading the newspaper or the magazines regarding trading, you will not find these are treated as by their currency names, but most of the time they are treated by their nicknames. So that's why it is written the column here. So CAD is for loonie, GBP is for cable, USD is for buck, Euro is for fiber, JPY is for yen. So so that's why I wrote it here. Now the currencies that we saw traded mostly, out of that, dollar, here you can see the dollar is traded most of the dollar takes most of the part out of the daily turnover of the currencies. 86.30% share is against a dollar. So currency traders are mainly dealing with the pairs which are associated with dollar, then Euro, then JPY, then GBP, then CAD, and then odd, okay, and so on. So yeah, the purpose of this slide is that if you started trading, you must know what others are doing. Advantage of currency trading: there are no commissions, no extra fees other than the spreads, no middleman, there is no third party involved in this trading. All that you can see is on your MT4 account. Okay, there are no any other hidden charges. Market is 24-hour open. The best parts of currency trading is the demo account. The kind of demo account that provided by currency trading, I haven't seen such a software with which will have so many features in demo. So for any beginner, we recommend that at least you trade for 2 to 3 months on the demo account. Once you are confident on yourself, then only start with the live account. Okay, so the next slide: don't let someone else's opinion become your reality. Okay, this is again a favorite quote. All you are listening to my forex trading, at least out of 10 people that you will ask, 6 to 7 will going to tell you don't do it, it is not worth, it is not cup of your tea. Okay, so you have to take decision, you have to go into inner conscious and ask yourself what you want to be. Okay, thank you. We'll quickly go through the forex and other markets. Along with forex, there are mainly two markets that exist: commodity market and equity market. Currently, the daily turnover of forex market is more than $8 trillion, and it is the mostly traded market. If you consider equity or commodity market, they are not easily predictable. Okay, those traders who want to make money, they buy share like at 100 rupees without any prior knowledge or understanding. That share moves to 1000, or that share can come down to 10. So these kind of predictions are not easy in case of equity market, share market. Even though you must have done technical analysis, fundamental analysis, but if you are a short time trader, then you cannot easily predict the market because it involves a lot of factors. Whereas in case of currency market, currency is like considered to be the currency gives the state of country economy state. Currency represent that country economy state. So little bit changes in currency will make a huge impact on that country itself. So generally currency will not give any false trading signals that happens in share market. Okay, so that's why currency is quite predictable. Okay, and if you see within a day there are variations are less. So if you could spend a couple of days or months in the currency trading, you can predict the future. Okay, and all that business currency trading or trading is based on how much your prediction are appropriate to the market. If you could predict the future, then you are nothing like that. Okay, so that's why currency trading is better. Okay, next slide we'll quickly cover about how to earn money through trading. Before that, how to earn money through trading. When you think about trading, what comes in your mind? Okay, most of you have gone through this cycle, right? Trading is very risky. Whatever money you invest, you never know what will happen to that. Trading is very, very risky. Whatever you money put, it is going to take away by that broker or the middleman. This kind of statement you must have heard. In the next slide, I am going to show you, if you do like proper planning, you can earn money from the currency trading. This is an example where the pair USD INR is getting traded. In case of India, you can see here a person buys USD INR at 45.20 and sells at 45.30. So the moment that he captured, it's 10 paisa. You can see buy at 20, sell at 30 paisa. So you can see he got 10 paisa profit during this moment. Okay, and in the downtrend also he got profit of 10 paisa. He sell and then he buys. Okay, so the beauty of this market is that you can earn in the both ways, while market is in the up direction or market is in the down direction. The next slide I want to show you is that if you capture the moment of 3 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, what will be the your profit? Okay, so while listening, like just 10 paisa profit seems that nothing, right? But when we actually trade, it has something. Okay, so how that 10 paisa is still beneficial for you, how you can utilize that 10 paisa movement in a big profit chunk of profits, I am going to explain you in this slide. So for trading in currencies, you need to trade with the lot size. Okay, in India every lot is considered is of $1,000. Every lot that you are going to trade is of $1,000. For that $1,000, the margin money required is around 1,500 to 2,000 depending upon the current price of dollar. Okay, if you could able to get that 3 paisa movement, okay, considering that you buy and then sell with 3 paisa movement, okay, then your profit will be 30 rupees. Okay, so that is means for 1 paisa it is 1000 into 1, and that's why for 3 paisa you will see 30 rupees profit, for 5 paisa 50 rupees, for 10 paisa 100 rupees. Okay, but this is not actually profit that you can take out. You have to pay brokerage charges to a broker who has provided you the services. So after giving brokerage charges, your net profit will become 20 rupees. For 5 paisa movement 40 rupees, for 10 paisa movement 90 rupees. Same is the case with the, if you started with 10 lot size, your margin money will be around 15,000 to 20,000. Okay, and for 3 paisa movement your earning will be 200, for 5 paisa your earning will be 400, for 10 paisa movement your earning will be 900. Okay, and the brokerage required for 10 lot is 100 rupees. Now here, even if you consider 3 paisa movement, let's forget about 5 or 10 paisa. Usually in a market, daily basis moves are from 30 paisa to 40 paisa. Let's consider the moment, the market movement, you just got 3 paisa profit. Even if you got 3 paisa profit, that is more than 1% of your investment. You are agree with me, right? If you have invested 15,000 and your returns are 200 rupees, so it is always more than 1% return. So in a day, getting the 3 paisa movement is not difficult. Anyone can start trading and he or she can earn that kind of profit. So if you consider market is open for 22 days, Saturday, Sunday off, monthly return could be 22%. Agree? Okay, these slides I have explained the case that will happen with Euro USD. Okay, so let's consider that you have invested 10,000 rupees, your monthly returns are 20%, and assume that you are not going to withdraw your amount, you are not going to withdraw your profit, you are going to reinvest your profit and start trading on the next month. Okay, if you continue this for 3 years, what will happen? Okay, you are invested 10,000, you are able to make out 20% monthly. If you invest for 3 years without withdrawing profit, you are reinvesting and trading on the same amount. At the end of 3 years, what is the amount? Any guess? Few lakhs, few thousands. Okay, so the amount comes to be 1 crore or more than that. How come this happens? I will show you. If you want details of this, you just give me your email ID below. I will send you the details. But this will happen only when you are a disciplined trader. This will happen only when you are planning the trade before actually executing. Okay, that things also we will cover. Now so many of my friends ask, yeah, that's okay, but could you please give me the real statements. For all those friends, these are the real statements. 250% return in just 9 months, 650% return in just 2.5 years, 756% returns in just 3 years, and so on. Okay, you can go to this website and see the live statement, okay, and make yourself comfortable with such trading statements. Next question is that, could you please give me some names who are successful in this business? Correct? These are the common questions. So these are the successful personalities. You can search on the net by their name and understand how they become successful. Steve Nissen, Neil Muller, Rob Booker, John Catter, Martin Pring, Thomas Bulsocki. They are master in this industry. Okay. So their students are very, very successful. You can go do Google, find out their identity, understand how they become successful. Is that okay? Yes. And yes, I think I am winding up my session. In the next session, I will cover you a little bit about how to do actual trading. Okay, before I go, these people don't just wait, but they make things happen. The difference between these people and us is that they don't just wait for the right opportunity, right kind of broker, right kind of people, right kind of software, but they just make things happen. So that is the difference. So make your focus to getting things happen. Okay, so these next slides, if you are interested, you can continue, otherwise you can leave it. So I just wanted to inform like what is the inertia, the motivation, the inspiration behind doing all this. So if you know, let's go through this very quickly. If you consider your lifespan of 70 years, 69 years of your lifespan is very much predictable. If you are sleeping for 7 to 8 hours a daily basis, 30% of your lifespan has been already gone. Okay, if you are at job, you are around 12 years of your lifespan already gone. If you are very good at social networking, online chatting, WhatsApp, Facebook, okay, Twitter, then already your 10.5 years has been gone. Then if you are very good at home, giving time to everyone, every relative, every friend, doing everything in time, then your 6 years has already gone. At school, around 4 years, and so on. So what remaining is that out of these many years, only 9.2 years are remaining where you can make a constructive decision and you will come to know where you will be. Okay, so make sure where you are spending your time. Are you with the right kind of people? Are you reading the right kind of material? Are you watching the right kind of material? So that is very essential. You must be willing to do what others won't do, to have what others won't have. Les Brown. Yeah, this is very essential and must know for every trader to be successful. So your plan is that you started here with some amount, and by this time I will be crorepati, or I will have a huge margins, huge profits in my account. But the reality is not that way. Okay, the successful people know that there will be up and downs in my life. There will be hard things in my life. But if I don't give up, I will reach to my goal. Okay, so as a trader, as a successful person, you need to understand these things. And the best thing is that the destination is planned. Okay, now leave the destination and enjoy the process. Okay, if you are worried about destination, you could not enjoy the process and you will not achieve your destination. Okay, so that is very important. I hope you understood this. Decide your destination, take some guidance from a coach or someone who can guide you. Okay, and leave that destination to him and enjoy the process, enjoy the plan, enjoy the system where you are. Yeah, so many of you will be willing to do that. So many of these people are thinking the same, but only few are willing to do that jump. Okay, Only few are ready to take that jump. The biggest risk is not taking any risk in a world that is changing really quickly. The only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risk. Okay, so Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook author, he's saying that only guaranteed way to fail is not taking risk. Okay, these are some trading setup, how we trade. You may not be interested, or I may be covering in the next sessions. Okay, thank you for being with me for this time. Next time I will give you more detail. Okay, if you are interested to join us, just send me your email address below, or you can sign up to our website that is listed below. Thanks for joining with us. You are most welcome.